Okay, so I'm joined here with Brent Kessler, an amazing guy, a wonderful friend of ours, and he is the founder of the Money Multiplier method. We invited him to join us here briefly just to discuss a little bit about what that is. He's been practicing this concept in his life for quite a number of years, since 2008. And Brent, you've been able to recapture $984,000 worth of debt in a very short period of time using this process. Can you tell everyone who's listening, who's watching, a little bit about what the Money Multiplier method is and why they should learn more about it?
Well, it's all driven by the concept that we know of as the infinite banking concept, what Nelson Nash taught us, right? So that is a must see. You get that. There it is right there. You have to get that book, the book called Becoming Your Own Banker by R. Nelson Nash. That is a book. It's a must that you have to have into your wealth building library. Add that into your wealth building library. And really what this method is, it's like a spinoff of what Nelson Nash has taught in that book. So, okay, again, remember, so that book was written about 20 years ago in the year 2000. Fabulous information in that book. But now the thing is, we even know more about how this concept really works compared to what was in the book. So it's kind of like putting a turbocharger on that book. And so the money multiplier method is what Nelson Nash teaches in the book, but we're just adding a turbocharger. What we're doing is we're showing people how to build wealth through their own debts and expenses that they have. Now imagine that. So what we're doing is we're just mimicking exactly what the wealthy and the rich have been doing for over 200 years. It's what the Morgans, the Stanleys, the Barclays, the Rothschilds, the Rockefellers, this is what they've done to build wealth. So we're going to mimic and imitate exactly what they're doing. And I show you how to turn every liability into an asset, every depreciating asset into an appreciating asset. And I show you how to recycle and recapture all of the money that's going out to other people. So I want you to imagine this. Okay, so let's say you go to buy a car, and the thing you have to do is, just in order to buy the car, you buy it one of three ways. You either pay cash, you bank finance it, or you lease it. The thing you have to do is you have to take your money and you have to give it to whoever you're buying the car from. So they get the money, you get the car. The transaction is over, everybody goes home. Well, how about if there's a way by adding one step in your financial life, and yes, it's the step Nelson Nash teaches us, adding that one step, and now, so not only do you get the car, but you have a system to recycle and recapture those dollars that you just paid out for the car. So not only do you get the car, but you also now can get the money back, because the money never leaves your family. It's a closed system. There's no money being leaked out to other people. So that's just a snippet of what this concept is.
Yeah, I love that. Nelson would say it's like an aquarium. The money never leaves the aquarium. So thank you for sharing that, Brent. We really appreciate it. So for anyone looking to learn more about the method and understand how to incorporate Nelson's principles, becoming your own banker, we would encourage you to check out some more of the videos, click to watch the next one. And thanks for stopping by. And Brent, we appreciate you so much for all the good work that you're doing, sharing Nelson's message, for being a good friend of ours, and for supporting people incorporating infinite banking into their life all across North America. Keep up the good work, man. We appreciate you so much. And thanks for taking a few minutes with us here today.
Absolutely, Richard. Thanks for having me, and anything I can do to help or serve any of your members, I'm happy to do it. Reach out to me.